domestic abuse. This is hilarious.
And another thing, I'm tired of massaging your foot knuckles.
You call that a massage with your baby carrot fingers?
Go to hell.
Come here! Get over here! Get your
Stay away from me. You keep him away from me.
All right, that's enough, you two. This is serious. Stop it. Oh, quick, Quagmire, give me your iPod.